Let's be honest, your car is probably the most expensive thing you own, but if the interior feels like a time capsule from 2010, you're doing it wrong. In 2026, you don't need a brand new vehicle to get a Tesla-level experience. You just need the right gear. Welcome back to Gadget Burst, where we hunt down the tech that actually matters. Today, we're breaking down 12 essential car upgrades that will completely transform your driving experience. First up, let's kill the clutter. If you're still plugging in your phone every time you sit down, you're living in the past. The Carlinkit 5.0 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter is the definitive set-it-and-forget-it upgrade. This tiny dongle plugs into your existing wired port and instantly converts it to a high-speed wireless connection. It uses both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi modules, meaning zero lag when you're using navigation or skipping tracks. It's small enough to hide in your center console, and it boots up the second you turn the key. But what if your car is so vintage it doesn't even have a screen? That's where the Lycaman Bluetooth 5.3 aux receiver comes in. Don't settle for those static-heavy FM transmitters. This device plugs directly into your aux port and uses the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chip to deliver crystal-clear CD-quality audio. It even features a built-in microphone for hands-free calls, making it the cheapest way to bring an old-school ride into the modern era. Rounding out our first trio is the Loncaster dashboard car phone holder. If you hate vent clips that flop around or suction cups that fall off when it gets hot, this is your solution. It's a heavy-duty silicone mat that grips your dashboard like a lizard on a rock. It's washable, reusable, and holds your phone at the perfect viewing angle for GPS without blocking your line of sight. It's simple, rugged, and it just works. Moving on to the heavy hitters. If you're a fan of the MagSafe ecosystem, the OHL Pro MagSafe car mount is a total game changer. While most mounts just hold your phone, this one uses N52 neodymium magnets to lock your iPhone in place with a death grip, even on those pothole-filled back roads. But here's the kicker. It's also a 15-watt fast charger. It combines industrial-grade stability with a sleek, minimalist design that won't clutter your air vents. Now, if you have kids or frequently haul friends on long trips, you know the back seat can become a war zone of boredom. Enter the Macally car headrest mount holder. This isn't one of those flimsy plastic trays. It's a sturdy, aluminum-reinforced bracket that fits any tablet or smartphone between 4.5 and 10 inches. It centers the device perfectly between the two front seats, effectively turning your back seat into a mobile cinema. It's the ultimate peace and quiet insurance for your next road trip. And speaking of keeping everyone happy, let's talk power. Most cars only give you 1 or 2 USB ports, which is fine until everyone's battery hits 10%. The RapidX X5 car charger features a 5-port expansion system. It has 2 ports for the front and a 5-foot extension cable that leads to a 3-port hub for the back passengers. It supports QC 3.0 fast charging, so you're not just trickle charging, you're actually topping off devices at full speed. No more fighting over the cable, everyone gets a plug. Safety is where we stop playing games. The Wolfbox G900 4K Smart Mirror Dashcam is arguably the most impressive piece of tech on this list. It replaces your traditional rear-view mirror with a massive 12-inch touchscreen display that streams a live, ultra-wide 4K feed from your rear bumper. It eliminates blind spots entirely and performs incredibly well in low light. If you're driving a van, a truck, or a car filled with luggage that blocks your view, this is a non-negotiable safety upgrade. If you want something a bit more set it and forget it, look at the Baseus VD1 Pro solar-assisted dashcam. We've all been there, parking the car for a week and worrying about the dashcam draining the battery. Baseus solved this by integrating a high-efficiency solar panel into the mount. It keeps the internal battery topped up for 24/7 parking monitoring without needing a complex hardwire kit. Plus, the 2K resolution is sharp enough to catch license plates in high-speed traffic. For the parents in the audience, tech isn't just about pixels, it's about peace of mind. The Shyner baby car seat mirror is a low-tech solution to a high-stress problem.
Its extra-wide convex acrylic glass provides a crystal-clear view of your rear-facing infant without you having to adjust your rear-view mirror. It's shatterproof and features a dual strap system that ensures it doesn't wobble or tilt while you're driving. It's a simple addition that makes every solo trip with a baby 100% less stressful. Finally, let's talk about maintenance and organization. If you're the type who likes to get under the hood or under the chassis, the ProLift C9100 Foldable Z Creeper is your new best friend. This isn't just a floor creeper. With a quick pull of a pin, it folds into a comfortable Z shape, turning it into a rolling mechanics stool. It's rated for 450 pounds and features padded cushions that save your back and knees during those long Saturday afternoon oil changes.
Inside the cabin, cleanliness is often an afterthought, but the Hotor car trash can with lid changes the game. Unlike those flimsy grocery bags you usually hang from the shifter, this is a 100% leak-proof structured bin with a magnetic lid. It fits behind the center console or hangs from a headrest, keeping trash out of sight and smells contained. It even has side pockets for extra liners, making it the most organized way to keep your interior looking showroom fresh. To tie everything together, we have the Drive Auto Products Trunk Organizer. If your trunk currently sounds like a bowling alley every time you take a sharp turn, you need this. It features reinforced base plates and sturdy sidewalls that won't collapse under pressure. It even comes with a tie-down strap system to keep the entire organizer from sliding around. From groceries to emergency tools, everything has a place, ensuring your gear stays exactly where you put it. Upgrading your car isn't about spending thousands at a dealership. It's about choosing the right tools to make every drive safer, cleaner, and more connected. If you found a gadget today that you can't live without, all the links are in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech deep dives here on Gadget Burst. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.